여러분 안녕하세요. 저는 오늘 웹크롤러로 악성 파일 찾기를 발표할 박태희라고 합니다. 여러분 시작하기에 앞서서 제가 오늘 이제 영어로 이제 발표를 시작할 텐데 만약에 저 언니가 무슨 말을 떠들고 있는데 자기는 무슨 말인지 하나도 못 알아듣겠다. 그러면 여러분이 영어를 못 하시는 게 아니라 제가 대본을 까먹었거나 아니면 너무 긴장해가지고 행사를 수설하는 것일 겁니다. 그러면은 잘 들어주세요. Yes. Maybe you can find enormous files like a music, video, or text file on the internet. Such files are not only too easy to find, but also you can download it really easily. This best amount of files is really important to us to getting and using information which we need. But if you download those files without any doubts, your computer is always at risk for viruses like ransomware or Trojan horse. So, in order to reduce those risks, I plan and make the program which orders web crawler extracts people's comments and number of recommends and the other information which indicates the quality of files. And after extracting, it will filter out some files which judged too dangerous and has virus. Before explain my own crawler, I want to explain about what is web crawler really briefly. This is a program which travels the web server and analyze the contents on the web page and collect the information in the corresponding URL. This program is not only stores and collect the information, but also analyze and process the data, even visualize it. It's time to explain my own crawler. As you can see, there are 3 files which make up the web crawler. First is the item file. In this file, you have to define the structure of data. It is simply just tells I will extract this like file name or whether the file is fine or bad and number of recommends. If you decide what to extract, let's move to the next step. It's called a spider file. It is the file which you have to tell the computer that how to collect the data. In this file, you have to enter the code, the place where this information which you want to extract is located on the web page. If you press the F12 button keyboard, maybe HTML source will appear and you can find the place where this information locates. Also in this file you have to enter the code about whether this information is letter or number or sign. If you finish to programming, let's move to last step. It's called the pipeline file. In this file, you have to define how the collected data will process. In this file, you can choose will you save the data or email it. If you finish this programming, the extracted, if you enter the saved data file, the extracted data will gather in this way. I extract the file name, the file is fine or bad, and the number of recommends. After extracting, we have to analyze and divide this file. And in this step, we have to set the certain criteria, and I set criteria like this. If average fine and recommend is less than number of bad, I chose that is a potentially dangerous file. Last, we have to check the virus with this virus scan program on the website. It's called Virus Total. If you have time, you can visit and you can check your own computer file on this web page. If there's no virus, the green checking will display like this. But if the file has any virus, this red warning will display and it shows which virus in your files. After this checking, I hope you guys can download more secure file with this web crawler. In conclusion, the malicious virus are detected in files which have 2 or more checked as bad. I want to find the secure file with people's comments, but people actually just not comment on it. So I just extract some limits information. Now I'm keep trying to make a program that extract the malicious files automatically with just one click. Thank you for listening.